In a medium-sized bowl, combine the flour, brown sugar, butter, chopped pecans, and cinnamon. Use a fork to mix the crumble topping together. Place mashed sweet potatoes into a large bowl and add eggs, brown sugar, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, and baking powder. Stir the ingredients together until they are combined and smooth. Pour 1 cup of half and half into the sweet potato mixture, stirring to combine. Stir the rolled oats into the sweet potato mixture. Pour the sweet potato oatmeal mixture into the baking dish. Evenly sprinkle the pecan crumble topping over the oatmeal. Bake at 375 degrees for 45 minutes or until the pecan crumble is lightly browned.